Rain here and I will be playing Minecraft with my cousin. Guys, wag niyo na lang pansinin yung skin ko kasi hindi siya naglo-load. As in, you'll see. So, ang goal ko is makahanap ng emerald. Okay, let's go! Okay, now let's get some wood to make our... Oh my god, what's this? What the hell? To make our pickaxe. So guys, nakagawa na tayo ng pickaxe. Ngayon, mag-mine na tayo. Guys, I found the village. Let's go. So guys, it's been a while. Wala pa rin ako mahanap. Tayo. Ano yun? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Pasok, pasok. Pasok. Open. Guys, may diamond! So, I think guys, count naman na yon as emerald kasi valuable din naman siya. So, yun lang po. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.